Hey, this is Marjory. I hope you can help. I've been raising rabbits for, gosh, more than a decade. And I got a problem that I've never seen before that has just come up. I've actually in a little rabbit, it's like a townhome for these guys. Let me see, let me grab one of them and show you their nose. The fur on their nose is, can you see that? It's like, oh, sweetie, I'm so sorry. Hold still, hold still. Yeah, yeah, hold still, sweetie. Show people your nose. Yeah, the fur on their nose is like, here, and that's one, and then this one, and these guys were a little crowded, and they were fighting, and their ears are a little crusty. I think that's healing up now that I've separated them. But here's another one. Hold still, sweetie. Show everybody your nose. See your nose there? Oh, it's got, I'm missing the fur. So I've just spent hours on Google and not coming up with anything. It might be mites, it might be ringworm. I haven't seen anybody with any pictures exactly like this. If you know, could you please, reach out to me? I'll be watching the comments, of course, and I just really need some help. I really love these rabbits. By the way, these guys have a really, really great life. I'm in the cage with them right now. It moves. It's a rabbit tractor. See if I can show you. They're on fresh grass every day. And they got water, feed, a mineral block, an extra little shelf up here. Every now and then I put in a pan of water for them to take a little swimming pool bath. They're so cute. They love that. Yeah, it's a really healthy life, and I just don't know what's going on with this. Okay, now I do live in the tropics, remember, I'm in Puerto Rico, so I don't know if that's a factor or not. But if you got any information, I really appreciate it. Okay, thanks. Talk to you later.